So what up, y'all? Here we go. The adventure begins. Me and the little one today. You know, she's been kind of getting at me, trying to get to this beach. So it looks like it's gonna be a beach day for me and the young one. You know, mom and the oldest are out, you know, doing some running around and some last minute shopping stuff before we get ready to go on this nice vacation. And so me and the spunky one, we got a beach day ahead of us. We'll take y'all with us. Let's go. Finally got the address in. Here we go. Sitting up here trying to get it worked out. Well, ain't nothing like knowing where you going, but not knowing where you going. Quite sure it's gonna be an adventure. It always is with this one right here. You know what's crazy, right? Gotta get some petrol before we go, obviously. It's like anything you see under $4 now, you starting to think you hit the lottery or something. You know, if you can use regular. Fortunately, that's not the case for us. But we're gonna go ahead and jump on this petrol because we can't go nowhere without that, right? Lady in front of me blowing the horn, the gas attendant felt some type of way, told her to be cool. You seen it? Quick detour, y'all. Rushed out. Forgot the batteries for the camera. Gotta go back and get them. Luckily, we right up the street. Glad we didn't get too far. You know, I gotta capture this moment. I don't know what she's thinking about. She had this look talking about something you can use the phone. Not really. Not really. All right, we grab this battery and get right back on the road. Take two, y'all. Take two. Got what I need to get. It was a quick one. It was a quick stop. It didn't take that much time out.
We're going to Ocean City. Yeah, that's all you need to know. Bye. And we are gonna record when we get there.
We're gonna get a little bit of. Yes, we're definitely gonna do that.
And we're gonna try new things.
I don't even
like surfing.
Nah, surfing. Really?
Yeah, we're gonna crash into the waves.
Nah, I don't plan on that. You know, Rain and Rainey's on the rise. It's one part of it. 1/4. Half of the of the core four. Half of the fantastic four. Are we out? We getting back on the road, Joe. We out. We gonna holler in a minute. You know, most people would have did this in the morning. Not me and the rider right here, man. You know, even without my detour, we waited after 2 o'clock in the afternoon to go. Oh, maybe it play in our favor. Maybe it all play in our favor.
And he said no during the week. And look where we're going now.
Ready for this cruise?
No recording on the cruise.
Are you kidding? My people love when we. Are you serious? These my folks. These my people. Talking about some no recording on the cruise. Blasphemy. I gotta take them on the adventure with us. She bugging, y'all. Let me have them get her to the beach where she can get her thoughts together. Just like that, we're in the traffic. Closer we get to the ocean, the more traffic. Which is probably why these journeys actually take place a lot earlier than we left.
Maybe if someone just could have recorded off their phone instead of the camera and not go back to the house because you had to get batteries, we could have been there.
Those extra all of 9 minutes, maybe 10, would not have made a difference in this. But that's all right. That's all right. About 18 miles out. I know we'll make up for it.
52 more miles to go.
But who's counting? Nothing. Just a, you know, it's a traffic thing. I don't have the best patience. Trying to get better at it. Nothing I can do about this right now. Here, y'all, Ocean City.
Guys, there's the seagulls. Guys, look at the gull. Look, guys, people are riding bikes. Oh, I think I've seen him somewhere. No, I haven't.
I said, where you seen him at? I know that man.
McDonald's.
Yeah, so we go to the fun part. Parking. Jam-packed. Jam-packed everywhere. Full. On that side. Boom. Come across this way. Full. Really can't feel no way, considering the fact that it's 3:35 in the afternoon. Guy's saying it's available parking on 5th Street though. So if I can get the people in front of me to cooperate so we can go by, we're going to head on over there to 5th Street. All hope is not lost. Come on, man. Woo. Finally. Got a spot. Talking junk about the person next to me parking. I ain't parked too straight myself. Trying to grab these chairs, man. I don't know if we're really gonna need this table. I think it's just one extra thing to carry. What do you think?
Yep. Did you bring the table or no?
I should bring the table. I brought it with us. Should I carry it?
Sure. Don't worry, y'all. He didn't actually bring a whole table.
So on, baby. Gotta keep people out of my joint. You know, they out here already got their bathing suits on. Hoping that we don't get sunburnt, y'all. Yeah, you would have think that I would have remembered to bring sunblock. As easy as it is for me to get burnt. And this one right here, too. She looks at it as just another thing that comes along with the game. All right, let's see what's going on. Let's get here. Let's get our spot. Hustling. I don't know, man. It seemed like it was a never-ending journey for a little bit, but we in the game. Damn, you better find that sunscreen. Like I said, we done got whooped a bunch of times. We had to park all the way down the other end off of 5th Street. I don't know what that bell means, but it's the lifeguard doing it, so. Oh, wow. I'll show you guys what's going on over here with this ocean. Wow. What you thinking? Better go see if we can find some. We'll try it. Take a look at one or two places. Other than that, we're gonna throw the dice. We're gonna throw the dice. And just hope that we don't catch on fire. Trying to get settled, y'all. Like I said, can't believe we rushed out of there. It was a last minute decision. Rushed out of there real quick, trying to get down here to the beach. Only to find out that we left the sunblock.
Did you forget the towels?
They're in my book bag. I did remember towels though, even though I don't plan on really getting wet. Wonderland.
buy that.
Woo! A little steamy. A little steamy out. A little steamy. Probably a little bright too. Word to the wise. Always remember. Bring your sunscreen. I don't know. We got to get it. If we don't get it, we're going to feel it later. Got to get it. Which one? So the hunt for sunblock continues. I mean, at this point, the way the prices are, the way the prices are, the sun will go down before we buy it. How we forget sunblock? This was how?
Because we don't have any.
We have multiple bottles of sunblock at home. Oh well. Let's try this other place. They say third time's the charm. We'll see. We gambling, y'all. I just cannot bring myself to pay the money that they was talking about. You call me cheap. You call me what you want. Hopefully you don't call me burnt, because I'm going out here. And both of us, we are notoriously known for getting sunburnt. I think one way or the other, you always ultimately wind up paying the price. Huh? And I hope that we don't. This the spot? All right, let's get straight, let's get situated. Why did I think that? It's cold. I ain't even gonna front. You look like you alright with it though. Hey man, it's that time, baby. It's that time. She ready to take the class. All right, let's go see how it goes down. Woo! Oh man! Operation: take a bite of the slice of pizza without the birds coming on. What you do is you hold it up in front of you. Good. Reach in, you keep it low. You got it. Oh, here it go. How's the pizza? It's good. You enjoying yourself today at the beach? That's what's up. That's all that matters. Yo, how's the water? It was a little cold at first. I saw you jumping in the waves. Chilling, y'all. Beautiful background. Rain and Rainey's on the rise. Beach version, beach day. You know what I'm saying? We out here going on one tour. Taking advantage of the opportunity to be able to enjoy each other's company. Make sure y'all get out there and enjoy it. Oh, they're having a good time in that ocean, man.
Every summer, August 20, we're gonna go to the beach. It's gonna be a year thing. Gotta keep it going. So this is the first year.
So yearly thing from now on. It's an annual thing.
Just us two, though.
Just us two. All right, well, sorry to the queen and to the other young princess of the crew. But the youngest in charge said it's gonna be an annual thing on the 20th of August.
Dang.
On the 20th of August every year, we going to the beach. Just us two. We'll see if she stay that way, y'all. You know, when they get older, they outgrow us. Birds. Good job. Good job. Good job. Right there at the beach. Right there at the beach. How much was the piece of wine? This ain't about you. It's my job to feed you. You my child. Well, if you want to know, it was $3.50 a slice.
Oh, good. I was about to say, because I didn't want you to pay like $9, $10 of how much the sunscreen was, making sure it wasn't that type of money.
Out there in that ocean, y'all. Trying to get myself together. I wouldn't trade it in for the world. She's right, all week I second guess this as being something that we could do today. Busy trying to find a way to make an excuse not to come out. Never because I didn't want to spend the time, but sometimes, you know, we so busy trying to figure out the next move that we don't take the time to just enjoy that moment. So I'm glad she, I ain't gonna say bugged me, but I'm glad she stayed, you know, strong in her request to go. I wouldn't trade it in for nothing. Glad to see she's smiling and having a good time. Simple things in life. All right, let me enjoy it.
Guys, we're leaving by ocean.
But we're leaving the ocean part. We ain't leaving the boardwalk yet.
Yeah, though. We're leaving the ocean, but we will see you next August 20th ocean. We'll see you next time. So guys, what we're gonna do is we are going to drop the chairs off in the table. You're gonna keep the book bag with you. We're gonna drop it off at the car, and then we're gonna go to the boardwalk, guys.
Boom, Mark, we good now, y'all. Had to get hands free. She ain't gotta carry that chair no more, backpack off the back. Now we get ready to go chill again. Right, we passed all the fried places that's $5 and some change. We come down to the one that's $10. What I'm gonna say? That's all I can say. We here now. Ready to roll up out of here in a minute, man. Now get ready. I think my child thinks she's supposed to stay here just I don't know how long. But, check the chicken out. See, there you go. What's going on? Me and the homie. You know what I mean?
We in the chicken cam.
What's going on? Y'all see it? We in the chicken cam right now.
Come on now.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, represent where you from? New York? Jersey?
Jersey.
Jersey.
You know, we in the house, you know what I'm saying?
Jersey, what up?
What's going on? You see it, baby, on the boardwalk.
Hey, the rooster, what's your name?
Huh? P.
Yo, we chilling with Big P.
You know it.
Big Rooster, Eric Howe.
You know it.
Everybody, do the chicken!
Do the chicken!
Exactly. Jersey!
You know it. You know it.
Jersey!
We in there. I got the little homie with me today. You know, hanging strong. She didn't want me to be in the TikTokers video. She didn't want that. She didn't want that. You know what I'm saying? I don't know why. It would have been fitting for such a wonderful day. Oh, okay, she's doing her own thing right now. Y'all see me. Shout out to the chicken on the boardwalk, baby. You know what I'm saying? You had to shout your boy out.
Well, let's talk about the price.
We on our way. Yeah. Yo, let's go. Oh, he getting sight. Bird got sight, that one is on. That's why I said certain things, man, don't need to be pets, man. You have certain things, you know, it gets psyched up at the wrong time. Like you got a bird like that, and it's all these other birds out here. I wonder how they don't just run down on him. He probably like a hawk or something. I don't know. My bird knowledge ain't that strong on that. Today, this moment I'm having with you, priceless. I know that's probably corny. So what? I said it anyway. It's the truth. You know what I'm saying? Priceless. You see that shirt? I know she had a good time. All kind of crab fries, seasoning on it, piece of sauce. Great time. Great time. Thought the day was done. Now I got to get ready to go buy some face cleanser.
Guys, so we made it to Walmart. Wait, Carrie, see it?
Yeah.
So we made it back down to home. Yeah. Now we about to go get this cleanser, and then we are going to, well, us two, we have to shower. And then we are going to probably go to bed. He probably will go to bed at like 11. But yeah, then we're gonna go to bed. So, yup.
It's gonna be a quick one, y'all. We ain't playing. I won't say the name of the cleanser. We're gonna grab that and we're gonna be out of here.
Here. Don't worry, it's in here.
Okay, I'll try not to worry. We got a few of them. We got acne control.
I need hydrating. Hydrating to foam or either hydrating.
Each day turned facial cleanse creamer. Now we're looking for scuba gear. Done.
How you making out?
Making out pretty good.
A lot, isn't it? Yeah.
Making out pretty good. They weren't talking to us. Okay. Okay. Great day to remember. Well, this is it, y'all. Putting a button on tonight. Finally just got in. One of those long days, but it was all worth it. Try to get to some light. Y'all know, as I say each and every video, it's never either or, it's always both. Great day, what you say?
Mm-hmm. Good day at the beach.
Good day at the beach.
Time to shower.
Right, gotta get that ocean up off us. Don't let them know on the way up out of here, you know what I mean? Rain and Rainy's on the rise. We gotta give them the peace sign, you know, we gotta let them know we out of here. To the next one.
Peace.
Peace.